On Bass Addicts, another little video blog for you guys. Just doing some electrical, replacing all the wiring. That's that ugly wire right there that I said I was getting rid of for the Sky High black and blue wire. A couple things, just wanted to make a little short video. Couple tips if you're doing rewiring doors and stuff like that. I already told you about the hose through the door jamb. I haven't tried it yet. I'm gonna try it when I do the back door. But and then I'll make another video about how that went. I'll show you how long it took me. So sorry the mailman showed up. So where was I? Oh, just make sure, if you ever are doing something like I'm doing, like putting the speakers on the outside of the door, I got these little connectors where they actually, they have a second, let's see if I can grab one out of here, where it actually connects into here. And then, so when you ever have to take the door off, you can just either take the speaker out, disconnect it, whatever. You can take, when you take the door off, all you got to do is disconnect these, then the speakers will still be in the door. You don't have to take all the screws out of the speaker every time you take the door off. Also, make sure if you're doing crossovers, you label your wires. I know a lot of people do. We'll test each one. I think that's a pain in the butt. It takes 2 seconds to label it, and then when you don't have to sit there and test each single one of them, you just know and you can plug and play. So other than that, I'll show you. I have one side of the truck finished. Nice little S&D. Alright. And I will be putting a grill on it. I can't really see the camera too well because it's so bright out here. But I will be having grills that go over top of these. And then there is the tweeter pods. And it's got a little butyl rope out. I put it in there and I trimmed it off. And then I guess overnight when it got warm, it settled and kind of melted, so I'm gonna have to trim it out again. But I'm also replacing this rope. This is that CCA crap I was telling you about. Thought I was getting a great deal on Amazon. Yeah, well, there is no such thing as that good a deal, I'll tell you that. If you do want a good deal on power wire, just get welding lead. It's real OFC copper, and you get it for basically half the price of regular power wire that you'd get. It is kind of a pain in the butt. You have to buy everything separate than just going and buying a amp kit, but you save a lot of money. Wire is not cheap whatsoever. So other than that, YouTube, this would be vlog number 3. I might have like a 3.5 or something like that, depending on how far I get today with this. And oh, actually, let me see. I think I got some of the so yeah, I got the crossover things, crossover rack screwed down. Looks alright. Then that double-sided tape thing didn't work out too well. The base vibrated it down. I only have one left. I had 4. Sorry, I'm starting to ramble again. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.